We interrupt this broadcast with an important news bulletin. Sources confirm that Santa is updating his sanitation and hygiene protocols for 2020. All reindeer will be wearing masks. The sleigh will receive a disinfectant spray between houses. Toys and dollies will be wiped down upon delivery, and any snacks left for Santa must be wrapped in plastic and certified gluten-free. Finally, all elves are wearing hot, cocoa-scented hazmat suits in the factory for your peace of mind. The North Pole reminds you this Christmas, be safe, be smart, and as always, please keep your guard dogs away from the chimney.
At least 6 feet away. It's time to quarantine and visit on the screen. The snowman and the turkey have to wait. But even though it's different and a little weird, this is still a season full of Christmas cheer. It's virtually Christmas. It's virtually here. And from my room I try to Zoom, but my Wi-Fi is not clear. It's like we're in a snow globe behind a pane of glass. This certainly is not like Christmas past. Now I have some updates for my list.
Paper and an antibody test.
Santa, please make sure these things aren't missed.
Face masks and a digital thermometer.
These are things I need.
Protective goggles.
Beneath the Christmas tree.
Lots of vitamins.
Disinfectant spray makes me shout hooray.
And one puppy.
Huh? Virtually Christmas, it's virtually here. And from my room I try to Zoom, but my Wi-Fi is not clear. It's like we're in a snow globe behind a pane of glass. This certainly is not like Christmas past. This certainly is not like Christmas past. Like Christmas past. Like Christmas.
Mom, the stupid screen's frozen again.